Imagine this. A country completely destroyed by war. Poor, hungry, no natural resources. Now imagine the same country controlling your music, your movies, your fashion, even your phone emojis. Sounds impossible, right? What if I told you this was not luck? This was a plan. From post-war rubble to BTS, Squid Game, and Parasite, South Korea didn't just create pop culture. They engineered it, and they bet their entire future on it. Let's rewind. The year is 1953. The Korean War has just ended. South Korea is one of the poorest countries on Earth. No oil, no gold, no large land. A kid with empty pockets standing next to rich neighbors. Japan had factories. China had manpower. America had money. Korea had nothing. So what do you sell when you have nothing to sell? The government tried normal things first. Steel, chips, electronics. It worked. Samsung, Hyundai. But then, something strange happened. In the 1990s, Korean leaders noticed something shocking. A single Hollywood movie made more money than thousands of cars. One movie outweighing a mountain of steel. That's when Korea asked a wild question. What if culture is also an industry? Music, drama, movies, games, not art, exports. And this is where it gets scary smart. The government didn't just support artists. They trained them. They invested billions into music academies, film schools, internet infrastructure, global marketing. Idols weren't born. They were manufactured. Teenagers trained for years. Singing, dancing, languages, media behavior, pop stars moving on a factory conveyor belt. This was risky. If the world rejected Korean culture, Korea would lose everything. Then it happened. The Korean wave. First in Asia, then everywhere. K-dramas hooked people emotionally. K-pop hacked attention spans. K-movies won Oscars. But here's the real twist. BTS didn't just sell music. They sold Korea. Tourism exploded. Language learning exploded. Korean brands exploded. A music note turning into money, planes, and flags. Then came Squid Game, a Korean show, in the Korean language, about Korean society, watched by hundreds of millions. At that moment, the bet paid off. South Korea proved one thing. In the modern world, culture is power. Attention is money. Stories are weapons. They didn't wait to be rich to tell stories. They told stories to become rich. So the next time you hear a K-pop song or binge a Korean show, remember, you're not just watching entertainment, you're watching the most successful cultural strategy in human history. If you love stories that explain the world simply, subscribe, because the next one might change how you see everything.